Hello, Alex aka Bream Pilot back with another review video, and this is of the Egyptair Boeing 707-320C. Without further ado, let's get into it. This is a limited edition model, and it's even more so, and I'll explain in a bit. It says Egyptair, it's in Arabic, all sorts of other stuff. So, look at all the details, mate. Insane. But anyway, back of the box, the other data, we have the Boeing 707-366C from Egyptair. The construction line numbers. Registration is Sierra Uniform Alpha Victor Zulu. The engines are two Pratt & Whitney JT3D-7s. Plane was rolled out and was built in 1973, which relatively younger than my mother. Then we have other data about the Boeing 707B/C because they're very similar. There's one difference about the C, which I also will get into in a bit. The range might also be a bit more, and also there is how many passengers it can seat. Although I think it's a bit more, maybe. I don't know, don't remember. But they say it's 150 mixed class. 200 in high density. I'm guessing maybe Egyptair did something different. I don't know. But anyway. So here we have our usual cockpit windshield with our little eyebrows. Got some sort of registration downstairs. I can't read it in this lighting, mate. No. No, I don't know what it says, but I think it might be the registration. We got the boarding door, the forward boarding door, the L1 door, Egyptair, Egyptian flag, Egyptair in Arabic. And then we have a cargo door. Now, the thing about the C is 320C. C stands for convertible, basically. That's what I see it as. So this thing is a combi plane. It's a combi, like the 400, like the Boeing 747M series. So basically you can switch between passengers and cargo. I think this thing was originally meant for passengers and then later in its life served cargo flights till being retired. I think this even might have gone to Iran or maybe. But here we have our very iconic over-wing exits for the Boeing 707 with its 3-window split. Don't know any other plane that does this. Then for the engines we do have something unique. We've got the Egyptair logo on the engines, on the engine cowlings, which is pretty cool. Wingtip lights. Then we have a rearward emergency exit, rear wing exit, which is often common for the 320C series. Then we got our registration down there. Then we got the L2 or L3 door, depending on if you see that as the L2 door. Boeing 707 in big letters are back there. Egyptair logo, little antenna. I do need a heads up to anyone who owns one of these planes. Even if the tail is metal, you want to be careful with this little thing, the antenna, because it's fragile. It's pretty fragile, and I have, I think I own 5 models. I think I own 4 or 5 model 707s, and I know 2 of them are missing the tail piece. I can't remember how many I own. I just love the 707, don't judge me. But anyway, then we got the other side of the plane. Then we got the L1, catering door or L1 door. Then we got the Egyptair logo, Egyptair flag, no, Egyptian flag. What's wrong with me today? We got the overwing exits, typical stuff that you would see on the other side. The little door, beacon, and then we got the rearward maintenance / catering door, Boeing 707, and the tail. What makes this particular model unique to any model is that it actually uses proper chrome, like it's fully chrome. I know I've showcased a lot of like shiny models, but this is like chrome. You can actually see your own reflection in this kind of model. But anyway, we got our forward landing gear right here. We have our Gemini Jets logo, a registration under the wing, because non-US aircraft apparently have to have it, I guess. We've got our landing gear doors that are engraved, our little stumpy little wheels. rearward cargo doors, forward cargo doors as well. I had to repair the rearward cargo door because of fade. I think one of the rearward doors is also a tiny bit faded, but the other one was completely faded, so I tried to fix it as best I can. And no APU, and not that there would be on these models because 707 doesn't have an APU. But anyway, this is my review of the Egyptair 707 320C. Hope you like. Please like, subscribe, check out some of my other content. Dream Pilot aka Alex out.